everybody, Megan Donnelly with the Digital Unicorns, and in this short video I'm super excited to share with you Slack audio. As you all know, I really like Slack, but since they've introduced this audio feature, it is now my new obsession, and it is such a game changer for my team. Let's jump in and I will show you why. Okay, so here you can see I have my desktop app Slack open, and I'm just on my channel right now, or my direct message channel feed, and I'm just going to jump right in. Right down here at the bottom there is a video, camera, and audio, and then your normal emojis and stuff like that. So when I click this audio button right here, what it allows me to do is just voice record what's in my brain. How great is that? I can record what I'm thinking, I can record reminders, I can basically anything that you can think of that you can talk about, you can record and then send to your team. It's been such a game changer for us because of things like this. Happy Monday, Kristen. I'm super excited to get started for the week. There have been some emails that have been trickling in over the weekend. If you could please jump right in there this morning and make sure to get those tasks assigned in Asana, I would be super grateful. And I will see you at our Monday meeting. So that is what I often do with those types of audios. I send reminders. When I see things coming in, because I just can't help myself, I also send lots of ideas. So I have crazy amounts of ideas all the time. Let's bring my head back up. I am like an idea, people call me idea confetti, right? So I'm always thinking of new things. So this is a great way for me to get those new things out of my head onto a piece of paper, which I call Slack, or onto a whiteboard, or onto, when I dump them into Slack, that's kind of like our ideation and planning board. And my team then takes those and puts them into Asana, which we use for project management, and then we action them, right? Now, obviously, not every idea is a good idea, so we don't action on all of them, but this is a fantastic way when you're in your car, when you're at the grocery store. I usually have earbuds in, and when I'm walking around thinking of stuff, I'll hit the button and on my phone, or I'll have Siri do it for me, and it's just been an awesome game changer, and I think you should really give it a try. Thanks, everybody. See you next week.